Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a new folder in Windows 10. Creating folders is a great way to organize your files and keep your computer tidy. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. This could be your desktop, a specific folder, or any other location on your computer. Step 2. Right-click on a blank space in the folder location. Be careful here. If you accidentally right-click on an existing item within the folder, you'll get the wrong menu. Step 3. Select New, and then Folder from the contextual menu. Windows will instantly create a new folder at your current location. Step 4. Enter your desired folder name to replace the default new folder name. Simply type in the name you want for your folder and hit Enter. And that's it. You have successfully created a new folder in Windows 10. Now you can start organizing your files and keeping things neat and tidy. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to create a new folder in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Happy organizing!